Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter Nom Nom. I'm Annette if you are new here. Today, I've been wanting to do another palette bingo, and Lord knows I have enough palettes at the moment that I have not played with that I should be doing that. But I had a request to do a palette bingo with my single eyeshadows, so I guess it's more like a shadow bingo. That's what we're doing. So I've got my eyeshadows all lined up here. I will show you that in a second. And then we will come back and we will pick some random numbers between 1 and 10 and pick out some eyeshadows. So I've got my eyeshadows lined up just like this, and this is how we're gonna pick them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get it? Get it? Got it? Got it? Good. Alright, so I've got a random number generator up on my laptop over here. I've got it to select between 1 and 10. Let's do the first number. We got 8, which is, it's the Nomad Cosmetics in La Playa. That's this one. Not a bad start. Next one. One is the Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment. This one's from the Mother Nature collection, 06. Oh, I hate loose pigments. This is color number 2. That's not a bad combo either, actually. It's just gonna be a mess. Next, we've got number 5. The Hikari Pigment in Envy. That's this one. Hello. I can work with this though. I think. And the last color, we've got number 3, which is the ColourPop single in I Like You. I don't think I've used this one at all yet. Let's throw this one right here. This is interesting. It could be worse. Okay, so I've got some semblance of a face on. I kind of just want to not have to think about anything else, so I can just focus on trying to make this work. Okay, so I'm just gonna set my lid real quick with this cream shade from my Huda palette. I'm gonna start, I think I'm gonna take this Nomad color here, and I'm gonna use the brush that I set my lid with, and I'm gonna start by getting this all the way up here and just kind of blowing out this color. Alright, so we're starting with that. Okay, so this green is too creamy and does not go on well with a brush apparently. So I'm gonna take some of this on my finger and I'm gonna foil this, oh god help me, this way. Going back in with that Nomad color, and I'm just gonna kind of blend over this. And now I'm gonna go all over the lid basically with this green. So now I think I'm gonna take I Like You, and I'm gonna kind of use this, just glitter up and give some dimension to this green in the center of the eyelid. It's subtle, but it's there. This is so much shimmer, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take a flat packing brush, yes. I'm gonna get just the tiniest bit of that loose pigment, and I'm gonna start smoking this under the lash line. There we go. That's what I want. This is what I want. I like that. Alright, I'm gonna pick a lip out and get some mascara on, and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is what we got, guys. I am pretty happy with it. I had a couple ideas as I was going with it, and this is just how it ended up. I picked a pink metallic lip to go with this because I wanted it to be kind of subtle, but also this is entirely shimmer. So why not keep with the theme and just keep the shimmer everywhere. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. I will have pictures on my Instagram as always. You can find that down in the description box thing. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Super appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.